Okay, let's solve this first practice problem. First, just read it, obviously. When we lift a cheeseburger, okay, so we're lifting something, there's going to be some force to do that. Yep, we exert a force of 1 Newton over a height of 0.35 meters. How much work do we do lifting the cheeseburger to take a bite? Obviously, Cleo's interested in this as well. Let's use the grasp method. Always use the same method when solving, whether it's questions in physics or mathematics. Use this method. What is the given information? And what's required? Start with those two. It doesn't matter, should I write down what's given or should I write down what's required? I should spell required correctly. Often I like to start with what's required. Oh, find work. Find in other words, the joules, right? Because that's what work is, it's energy. It takes work to lift that cheeseburger. Okay, what information are we given? Well, we know the force, okay? So force of 1.0 Newton. There's the cat playing now, exerting some force on a straw, in fact. Distance, okay, 0.35 of a meter, always in meters, by the way. So 0.35 of a meter. And of course, work, which is what we got to find, we don't know. Unknown number of joules. Okay, so do some analysis, which means we figure out what formula we need. Now, once we've got our variables, once we use what's given in the question, we're looking for work, we're given force, we're giving distance, we know it's this formula. Work equals force times distance, and so it's now just a matter of solving it. So let's plug it in and solve it. Work, again, we don't know that, but we got our force, 1.0, always write the units, 1.0 newtons times distance, going to lift it 0.35, always in meters. Grab a calculator, always good to do this with a calculator. Just got my calculator down here, there we go. Okay, so we're going to go 1 times 0.35. No, it is 0.35. Okay, yeah, 1 times anything is the same number. Okay, perfect. But that's, of course, now in joules. 0.35 joules work. The last part of grasp, G-R-A-S-P, is paraphrase or write a sentence. Just state the answer. What this also allows you to do is check whether your answer makes any sense, because you slow down and you state it. You say, okay, so it takes 0.35 joules of energy to move a hamburger 0.35 meters. There we go. Done. Let's try another practice question.